Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly here, and today I am going to be showing you how to validate a currency code using Java. So let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you import these two libraries up here because we'll be needing these for this tutorial. Then, in our main method, I have got a bunch of print line statements. And I'm calling a function called isValidCurrency. We're going to be creating this function in a moment. And then I pass in a string with a currency code. So you've got GBP, which is Great British Pound. We have USD, which is like United States Dollar. EUR is Euro. JPY, Japanese Yen. BTC, Bitcoin. And we've got even some old currencies which aren't used anymore. So, let's get right into how we make this function. So we're going to do public static boolean isValidCurrency string currency code. So, boolean is going to be meaning we're going to return a true or a false. IsValidCurrency is the name of our function, or method as we call them in Java, and string currency code is going to be the currency code we want to validate. Firstly, we are going to be creating a list. So we're going to do list string supported currencies equals array.asList, and then we're going to do a bunch of different currency codes all in their own element, and they're going to be as a string. So these are going to be all of the currency codes we considered valid for this function. You can customize this as much as you like. You could add some meme stuff in there like that Charizard cryptocurrency I once found, which I thought was hilarious. Or you could, just do Dogecoin. Or if you wanted to, you could put a list of currencies that no one uses anymore, like the Deutschmark. After that, we're going to do a return statement. We're going to do return supported currencies dot contains currency code. So this is going to be checking if the currency code we have here exists in our list of valid currency codes here. And it returns a true or a false depending on if it's there or not. And that's it for this tutorial. So we're going to save our work and hit play. So we've got some statements. We've got a bunch of trues. So, Great British Pound is true, USD true, Euro true, Yen true, Bitcoin true, ABC. As far as I know, that's not a currency, so it's false. IEP, that's a currency that was abandoned in 2002 for the Euro, in 2002 for Ireland. And, again, Deutschmark replaced in 2002 by the Euro for Germany. So that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.